Do you know why big businesses spend millions on marketing? The main reason we can predict is to grow their business faster. However, it is just half true. Hey everyone, this is Anuj Vohra, and in this video, we are going to discuss why big businesses and heavily funded startups spend millions on marketing. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and do like the video. So whenever I upload a new video like this, you will get notified. Basically, in this video, we will understand a very important concept of marketing, and because of this, giant companies and heavily funded startups spend too much money on marketing. Now, I want to ask you some questions. We all are using Zomato and Swiggy to order food online. Do you know these companies spend thousands of rupees to acquire one customer? Amazon and Flipkart are the e-commerce giant in India. Do you know these two companies spend thousands of rupees to acquire one consumer? There would be so many multinational outlets in your cities, like Dominos Pizza, Pizza Hut, Subway, McDonald's, and so on. Do you know these outlets spend hundreds of rupees to acquire one customer? Now, if we talk about Microsoft and Google, everyone knows about the products and services of Microsoft and Google. Do you know why these companies spend millions even when they are world famous companies? I asked this question to give you insight for this video. Now let's move into the main topic. Now, according to the Beast Journal, Americans see more than 4,000 ads in a single day. That is too much. What that means is companies are spending, or we can say investing, for marketing and advertising. In order to understand this, we need to understand a concept. And the name of this concept is lifetime value of consumer. This concept is leveraged by all the big businesses and heavily funded startups. And that is why the companies spend millions continuously for a longer period of time. So now let's understand with examples. In this video, we will talk about two companies, that is Dominos and Amazon. Now let's first discuss about Dominos. We see ads of Domino's Pizza on television and social media. Considering that they are spending 1,000 rupees for acquiring a single consumer, this cost is also called as cost of client acquisition, that is COCA, COCA. There are so many people who believe that if they want to eat pizza, they would only prefer Domino's. Because of this, Domino's gets thousands of people who prefer to eat pizza of Domino's. Even I should say millions of people. Now let's look at the calculation. Assuming that a person eats pizza of Domino's 20 times in a year, considering the average billing is 300 rupees because he would go with his friends also, the total yearly revenue would be 6,000 Indian rupee. The total revenue of 10 years, considering the same average billing, that would be 60,000 Indian rupee. 60,000 Indian rupee revenue will be generated by Domino's from a single consumer. Now, there are thousands of people in India and even millions of people across the globe prefer to eat pizzas of Domino's only. Imagine how huge amount of revenue can be generated with this concept. The revenue will easily hit in millions of dollars, and this amount will definitely beat the amount spent on marketing with a massive margin. Now let's take another example, that is Amazon. Amazon has been spending millions on marketing for so many years in India and across the globe. The company offers millions of products so that consumers can buy almost each and every product from Amazon. The amount spent by Amazon to acquire a single consumer is 1,000 rupees. Now let us look at the calculation. If you have purchased from Amazon, you must have purchased another time, and that's for sure. Because of the service and discounts provided by Amazon, we generally prefer to shop online these days. Assuming you make on an average 12 purchases in a year from Amazon with an average price of 700 Indian rupees, the annual revenue of Amazon would be 8,400 from a single consumer. It is being observed that people have started shopping online more often. If we make 20 purchases considering the same average price, that is 700 Indian rupee, the total revenue after 20 years would be 140,000 Indian rupee from a single consumer. And there is one more thing. Amazon has millions of active buyers. Amazon has another big advantage, that is Amazon Prime. For Amazon, it is currently very much easy to convert regular consumers into Amazon Prime consumers. In this service, the company offers free delivery within 1 to 2 days, and also we as consumers get Amazon Prime videos. This is why Amazon has been spending millions on television commercial and digital ads. Now let me conclude this video. In order to gain long-term benefit, giant companies and many startups generally spend so much money on marketing. I hope you understood the concept of lifetime value of consumers. I hope you like this video. Do hit that like button, it motivates me a lot to create a video like this. Do share with your friends, and I will see you in the next one.